The topic for today's video is interpreting cholesterol, unveiling the beneficial, the harmful and the vital. In the realm of health and nutrition, cholesterol often gets a bad rap. However, not all cholesterol is harmful. Understanding the difference between good and bad cholesterol as well as their roles in our body is essential for managing health and preventing disease. This video aims to demystify cholesterol, shedding light on its complexities and importance. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a fat-like substance found in all cells of the body. It is used in the production of various hormones, vitamin D and certain digestive enzymes. Our bodies produce all the cholesterol we need, but it is also found in foods from animal sources such as egg yolks, meat and cheese. The two types of cholesterol. Cholesterol is transported through bloodstream in the form of small packets combined with lipoproteins, which comprise of lipid and proteins. There are two main types of lipoproteins that carry cholesterol throughout the body. Low density lipoproteins known as LDL and high density lipoproteins known as HDL. Understanding the functions and differences between LDL and HDL is crucial for maintaining optimal health. LDL cholesterol or the bad cholesterol. LDL is often referred to as bad cholesterol. A high level of LDL leads to a buildup of cholesterol in the arteries, which can create blockages and increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. This is because when there is too much LDL in the blood, it can deposit on the wall of the arteries, forming plaques. Over time, these plaques can narrow the arteries, limit blood flow and increase the risk of cardiovascular problems. HDL cholesterol or the good cholesterol. On the flip side, HDL is known as good cholesterol. It helps remove other forms of cholesterol including LDL from your bloodstream. HDL helps in removing the excess cholesterol by transporting it back to liver, where it is dissoluted and ejected from the body. Higher levels of HDL cholesterol are associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke because it helps keep the blood vessels clear of clogs and reduce plaque buildup. Managing cholesterol levels. Maintaining a healthy balance between LDL and HDL cholesterol is key to preventing cardiovascular disease. Here are some lifestyle changes that can help manage cholesterol levels. The diet. Focus on eating a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains and lean proteins. Limit intake of saturated fats, trans fats and cholesterol found in fried foods, processed snacks and high-fat dairy products. Exercise. Regular physical activity can help decrease LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol. Target for at least half an hour of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Losing weight can help lower LDL cholesterol levels while potentially raising HDL cholesterol. Smoking lowers HDL cholesterol. Quitting smoking can improve your HDL cholesterol level and provide numerous other health benefits. Excessive alcohol intake can raise cholesterol levels. Moderation is key. Hence, cholesterol plays a vital role in the body, but it's important to maintain the right balance between good and bad cholesterol to ensure heart health. By adopting a healthy lifestyle and making informed dietary choices, you can manage your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Remember, when it comes to cholesterol, it's not just about lowering the bad, it's equally important to raise the good.